Hi guys, I showed you this little USB fan that I bought in Wilko for £1. And I actually stuck it on there. Did I stick it on there? I stuck it on something to actually drive it along. Oh yeah, I put a power bank underneath it, didn't I? Anyway, it worked. Now we're going to just pull it apart and have a look. There's really not going to be a lot to look at. It's just going to be a little DC motor there, probably just directly wired to the plug. Try and open it up without actually cutting through the wires, if that's possible. Nearly nicked it there, didn't I? Oh. It looks like they're just using stiff conductors. Oh no, yeah, there's that's a piece of bendy wire there, and then we've got red and black conductors for the power, encapsulated in a little bit of plastic tubing. So that's the bendy bit of wire. Still in focus, yeah. That's the bit that gives it its flexibility, and the red and black of the power. There we go. off easily. Yeah, it's coming off. Oh yes, I've just broken the power wire that went onto there. That's well, it may or may not be hot glue, but that's what, it's just a solid lump. Right, so there's our motor. Don't see anything written on it. And I expect this solid lump of, I'll call it hot glue, will be supporting that bendy bit of wire. Oh, let's get it out. But they're not coming out. No. And same at that end, that's a solid lump. So, there we go, I've got myself a little USB plug, a couple of wires on it, so I can save that. And I've got myself a little 5-volt motor. I don't see any resistors or anything in there, so it's just directly powering it. Yeah, I can't see any resistors or anything. So there you go, that was what was inside the Wilko USB fan. No good reason other than there was a 9-volt battery laying on the table here. Let's see if we can buzz it with 9 volts. So, that's it. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.